Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to convert your images into videos using Canva. Okay, so Canva Magic Studio has introduced a new feature which enables you to convert an image into a video, either using a default mode or using custom mode, in that you can give your prompt and then it's going to be able to use that prompt to generate that video for you. So we're going to start by, mind you, this is the pro feature that you have to be a pro user of Canva to be able to use it. So we're going to start by going to canva.com, and then one thing to note is you can come to videos and then you can select any video of your choice. For example, let's go to YouTube video with the selected dimensions. And once you are in here, you're going to bring in different images and you're going to convert them into a video. So let's go to elements in here and you can search directly depending on what you are looking out for. So let's look for a tiger, for example. Let's say a tiger, and then we can select. I've tried this with several tools, but if you want to have the best experience, you should not use the human face. Okay, so you can use anything but a human face. Let's say I will use this and don't use premium image. Okay, so let's select something good and then let's try it. So let's say we'll go with something like this. Okay, so we can click on this, and now this image we can now convert it into a video. So how do we do that? We select the image, we can go to edit, and then once you are on Magic Studio you can click in here to be able to see image to video. So once you click on it, you have the option to do smart or custom. So smart makes your image move like a video. These settings works well for most photos and graphics. It will just give you a 5-second video which you can use for a b-roll or add it to your video as you are generating your video content. Alternatively, you can do the custom, which you're going to give a prompt as regards how it is going to, what its behavior is going to be. For this one, let's start with something with the smart. Let's just click on generate. This is now going to generate a 5-second video from this image that we have just added. And as you can see, it has just created that 5 seconds video. So if you like, you can regenerate the video if you don't want what you see, or if you like it, you can go ahead and add it to the presentation or to whatever you have, right? So we can now be able to say we have a video in here that we can be able to play and see a preview of what we have added. Okay, very easy and very nice. You can see it with just this simple click, and our video, our image now comes to life. Okay, so I have some other images like this one, and this one, and I want to bring all of them to life. Also, I want to select this. Preferably, if you want to see a comparison between the existing one and the one you have created, you can duplicate this, so you have 2 images. So you do with the second one, go to edit, and then you can go to image to video. Now you can just give it the default one. I know this is going to like raw on this. Okay, so let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to create for us. All right, and as you can see, it has generated the video, and once you hit on add, you can regenerate if you don't want, but you can see with just that click it is going to add it up in here, and we can be able to see the video that it has generated. It is truly roaring. Okay, you can see it, very nice and fantastic. So let's do something like that also to these candles. You can duplicate them if you want, and you can use this as well. Go to edit and go to image to video, and then you can just use the default, and let's see what this is going to create for us. And you can see it has just created the video. You can just click to add it, and you can see very nice looking video with the breeze just blowing very little. You can see very nice. So let's try one more, the last one, which is this cat. I want it to move and let it just be happy. Okay, so we can go to edit, come over here, and we can go to image to video. Let's do custom, and let's say let the cat be jumping. Okay, be jumping. So let's go ahead and generate, and let's see what this is going to give us. And as you can see, it has generated, and the cat is truly jumping, and can see we can just add to the design and it's going to quickly add it to our design. The cat is truly jumping. Okay, so it all boils down to you what you plan to create. Okay, if you have any idea, any image that you want to convert into a video, you can do that as well. Now if you want to export any of this, you can just specify the page, go to share, and then go to download, and then you can use MP4. You can specify from which of the pages you want to select. For example, I can say current page, and then go to export download, and it's going to download just this video. Okay, so this actually does it on this simple tutorial on how to convert images into videos using the Canva Magic Studio image to video converter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.